I'm going to share with you in this video the reason why your 4,000 watch hour keeps reducing or is being stopped. You need to watch this video to the very end because I'm going to share with you the very feature that you need to turn off on your YouTube studio in order for you to increase your watch hours. All right, so we all know that one thing about YouTube and monetization is that when you've been on YouTube for 1 year, 2 years, all right. So let's say you've achieved your 1,000 subscriber, because I think that is very, very easy to achieve than watch hour. If you actually gotten your first 1,000 watch hour, congratulations to you. But then a lot of person has been stuck with 4,000 watch hours in order for them to actually get their channel monetized. Let's say for instance that you've gotten your first 1,000 watch hour on January this year, right? And what they are trying to gather now for you to actually get monetized is to get your 4,000 watch hours. Do you know that by the time we get to next year, which is 2025, by January next year, all the watch hours you've accumulated from January 2024 to January 2025, it will not be counting for you again. You need to start afresh. All right. So that's the reason why if you have gotten your first 1,000 subscribers, you need to buckle up to make sure you've gotten your watch hours. Let me quickly show you why you are getting stuck on getting your 4,000 watch hours. So by of the Chrome browser, I'm going to make it of the YouTube Studio from the Chrome browser because it actually gives you a wide feature than the app itself. So I'll just type here studio.youtube.com. Okay, so as you can see, it has actually brought us to our YouTube studio. Right, so what I need to do, I'll just go ahead and click on those customization arrow that's second to the last. So it has actually brought us here. So you now click on this home tab. So when you click on home tab, let me zoom it so you guys can actually see it very well. So what you need to do, you see this for you. YouTube recommend fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. So you're just going to go ahead and click on more setting. So when you click on more setting, you're going to see what to include in the for you section. So what you just need to do, you can see content type, video, short, live stream. Please do well to turn those on because this actually means that YouTube is going to be recommending your video, be it short, long form video, or live on the for you tab. So you need to actually leave it on. So if yours is off, please do well to turn all of them on. So coming down, you see recency. The first one say all content recommended. YouTube always update the for you section with fresh content. And the last one said recent content only. Content you've posted in the last 12 months, right? So what you need to do is that you need to put yours on those recent content only. Do you understand? So that YouTube will actually do what? Be recommended the video that you have posted for the past 12 months to your viewers. I don't know if you guys are getting my point. For especially as a new YouTuber like me, you know, if I've gotten my 1,000 subscribers and my 4,000 watch hours, do you know that, okay, if I've gotten my 1,000 subscribers and I'm eligible for monetization, do you know that the content I've created before I've gotten that monetization stage will not be counted for me? Okay, imagine I have put my own all content recommended. What if YouTube actually shows those my previous content to people? It will not count to my watch hours. It will not add anything to my watch hours. So what I don't need to do, I'll just put it in the recent content. That's the content I've uploaded in the recent period. That's for the past 1 year. That is the one that YouTube will actually recommend to people. And for you to do that, you need to come here and turn it on. If it's here, that is a no answer. You need to come here and put it on. And just go ahead and click on done. So when you click on done, from this, YouTube is actually going to be recommending your recent content on the For You page, on the For You tab to viewers who are interested in watching your content, and by so doing, it's going to increase your watch hours. If you have been stuck with your watch hours, this is the best thing for you to do in order for you to increase your watch hour. Hope you find this video helpful. Please do also give this video a thumbs up, share this video, comment. Let me know if you actually find it helpful in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I bring in a new video, guys. Bye, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.